Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive Meythway Upgrade stainless steel pots and pans set, a non-toxic, 6-piece kitchen cookware set designed to elevate your culinary experience. This set includes an 8-inch fry pan, a 10-inch fry pan, a 2.5-quart saucepan with a lid, and a 5.5-quart sauté pot with a lid, all featuring stay-cool handles and see-through tempered glass lids with steam vents for easy monitoring. The professional 3-ply construction boasts a core of pure aluminum with a brushed stainless finish, ensuring even heat distribution along the bottom and sidewalls, thanks to its heat surround technology. Not only is the stainless steel cooking surface resistant to discoloration and food reactions, but it's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze and maintaining the integrity of your food's flavors. This versatile cookware set is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and halogen, making it a perfect match for any kitchen and all your cooking needs. With a design trusted by chefs and backed by Meythway's limited lifetime warranty, this set promises durability and reliability for years to come. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the Meythway Upgrade stainless steel pots and pans set is a fantastic addition to your kitchen arsenal. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.